Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a video for Clique kits. I am going to be using the August kit for this layout, and today is product focus on stencils. And so for the month of August we did get a stencil in our kit. So I'm super excited to use this. I'm going to be doing quite a bit of mixed media with a stencil. First I'm going to use some modeling paste here, and I'm going to spray some gold mist in it and mix it around, and then I'm going to put some gold gelato in it because it wasn't working. It wasn't getting the right color with the mist, so I needed to add some gelato. So you'll see that here in a minute, and then I'm going to cut back right to working in the stencil so you guys don't have to see me mix it. But it does take a little while to mix it and to get it to the right consistency and to get everything mixed in together. So take your time. And I'm just doing it on a piece of packaging here so you guys can do it on a craft mat if you have one or whatever. So now I'm using that stencil. I'm using this beautiful paper and that came in the kit, and it's got like gold words on it and flowers and kind of like scripty little, they look like, to me they look like fuzz, if that makes sense. I don't know. But there's really great words on this stencil, and so I wanted to use it with a photo of myself. This photo was taken last spring, I believe, and so I just wanted to kind of just document this photo. So I'm using that stencil all over, and when I'm done, I'm going to go immediately wash it. So make sure, especially with stencils like this, they're very delicate. There's a lot of like little pieces, or not pieces, but intricate. It's a very intricate stencil. So you need to make sure that you're washing it with warm water and soap. If it starts to dry, sometimes warm water just works if you do it immediately. So that's what I'm going to go do now, and now I'm back. The magic of editing. I did let it dry natural, so it did not warp at all. These papers in this kit are super thick, and so I thought it would be perfect for some mixed media. And yeah, it almost rarely warps when I don't use my heat tool, which sometimes I just don't have enough time to just let it air dry naturally. But I'm glad that I got to let this air dry because it looks good. It's not warped. And I can matte this really nice, pretty like wine color cardstock behind it to kind of make it pop just a little bit. This is one of the colors that is seen in this kit quite a bit, and it's also the same color of lipstick that I have on, so perfect, right? Win-win. So right now I'm just trimming down that paper to make it fit here, and I'm gonna need to trim just a little bit more down. And that's good. I really like that the gold stenciling matches really well with the gold writing. That gelato, the color that I used was, let's see what the color is called, Ice Chai, and it was the perfect gold. It was the gold that's already in this kit with the letters and with the paper. So now I'm pulling out the letters that came in this kit, and these are definitely different from what I usually use. So I did see Sarah Scraps, she used these letters. I think she backed them with washi tape, which was really cool. But I'm just going to back them on the same color cardstock that I'm using throughout this layout. For the matting of the layout and the matting of the photo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take those tile letters, and I'm not going to do them all on camera, but I'm going to do some of them on camera and back them with that same cardstock. And now I'm going through the die cuts that came with this kit, and they're absolutely stunning. I wanted to use these flowers because they bring in that wine kind of pinkish reddish color back in on the layout, and so I'm definitely going to use those. And then another piece of paper that was in the kit were these beautiful butterflies, and so I fussy cut them off camera, and I did a ton of them, you guys. It took me a while, but again, sometimes The things that take a while are definitely worth the time, for me at least, I think. I really, really love the way that the butterflies look. They're just kind of flowing across the page, I guess, and the flowers at the bottom are just, I love them. So here I am creating my title, and my title is going to be My Story Doesn't End Here. Over the past couple years, I've been dealing with some stuff, some things that have been hard on me, and I just wanted to remind myself that my story didn't end there, and just to continue to go on this journey and learn about myself and just continue to grow and all of those good things. And yeah, so there's my title. It's kind of like, I don't know, like a pyramid. I didn't mean for it to go like that, but it ended up going like that. So I just cut them all out, and I really like the way that this looks. It's a huge title, but I like it. And now I'm just gluing all of the flowers down, and then I will do the butterflies. And I'm going to glue the butterflies, not all of them, I'm going to glue completely down. Some of them I will just glue down one wing to kind of make it look dimensional. And I really like the way that that looks. Now I'm going to go ahead and adhere the photo. And I believe that the last thing after that I'm going to do is I'm going to add some splatters. There really isn't a ton of embellishing. The title is really big. The flowers at the bottom are quite big. The background is very busy with all of the words and the stencil work and then the butterflies. But I feel like it all kind of balances out in the end. And I really, really love the stencil work behind everything. It just adds another layer of dimension, and I just really love it. So I hope that you guys enjoy this layout. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, I will have Clique kits linked below along with a coupon code so you guys can get a discount in the shop. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to spread love and be kind. Have an amazing day. Bye.